What if I told you that this video, this one, and this one right here were all made using a free AI tool that enables you to generate unlimited high quality AI videos for free? Well, the tool is Pixverse, and in today's video I want to show you how you can explore this tool as a content creator, or as a beginner, or even as someone who is just interested in seeing what AI can do. And the best part is that you can do all of this for free. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Pixverse. It's going to ask you to install if you have not installed it before. I already have it, so I'm going to open. These are the basic templates here which you can use. Okay, and I want you to notice something here. This part where it says basic, these are the basic points you can get on a daily basis. All right, and this gift box over here, if you tap on it, it will take you to the reward center. In this part, it shows you some tasks which you can perform to get more points, and these points are what you use to create or generate images or videos for free. Okay, and on a daily basis, this is going to refresh and give you the same amount of points every day. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can generate images or videos for free. Now go to this plus button down here. Here it says image to video. You can put your image here, put your prompt, and it's going to give you the video depending on what your prompt says. This one says these are the templates which you just saw from the home page. You can use any of these templates here to generate a video. If you swipe again, you see this template here which says this here is the text to video template. Here you put your prompt here and you're going to generate a video. Okay, so I want to show you other things which you can do here. This one is the image to video, which you use 2 frames, 2 different images, first frame and last frame. You can use 2 different images here and then put your prompt, then it will transition from the first image to the last image, you know. Then here fusion, here you can put up to 3 different images and you use your prompt to bring the 3 different images together. Okay, so this one here, you can use it to extend your short videos. Okay, just put your short video here, type a prompt, then use that prompt to extend that your video. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your text to videos. All right, so if you watched this video to this point, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. All right, and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload another video like this. Okay, so here let's be creative. Let's type a prompt and see what's going to generate for us. All right, so let's say a castle crumbles as a dragon flies overhead during a thunderstorm, for instance. Okay, let's see what's going to generate. Now you can see I'm generating this video with 20 points. Okay, so let's tap on create. My video is generating, and in no time it's going to notify us that our video is generated so we can view. Okay, now it says our video is ready. Let's view it. So this is what it just generated. Okay, you can see how it looks. You can use more descriptive prompts to generate something more amazing than this. Okay, so With this video now, you can take it to the other part where it says you can extend your videos. Use it to extend this video and turn it to a longer video. All right, so that is it. Just try to be creative. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me hear about your experience with this app, and let me hear the kind of amazing things you generated using this app. Okay,
so that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more videos like this, do not forget to like, share and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another video. It will also motivate me to keep making more videos like this. I will be waiting to hear from you in the comment section about your experience while using this app. You can also let me know in the comments which AI tool you are more interested in seeing me make another video about. And for my next video, I will be showing you step by step how I used Pixverse and another AI tool to make this my AI avatar that I'm using in this video. So if that is something you would want to see, stay tuned for that video. And until then, thanks for watching.